Hey guys, it's Ron Blaze, Ninja Web Tools. We had a few guys that are selling shirts on Shopify and other platforms that wanted to take advantage of our low prices with T-Launch. And so we built this add order function to T-Launch Ninja so that you can sell shirts on other platforms but process the shirts through T-Launch Ninja to get the lower discount pricing. So let me just walk you through the process. Once you upgrade T-Launch Ninja and update the database on the license page and save the settings on the settings page, then you're going to see a new option in your left nav menu, which is Add Order. Click on Add Order, and in this first box, you are going to type the item name. Bear in mind, everything that you add as an order is only adding an order. It's not creating a shirt on side your T-Launch Ninja site. It's primarily there so that you can sell shirts within your Shopify stores or on other platforms, and then just process the order through our API. We initially looked at finding a way to import an Excel spreadsheet into T-Launch Ninja. The problem with that were twofold. One was there was no consistency with the SKU numbers inside of the various Shopify export files that we received, and there is a specific format for the SKUs that need to be passed over to T-Launch. So that was going to be a problem, so we decided to go this route. So in this first box, you're going to pop in an item name. It could be whatever you want it to be. This is basically for your tracking with inside the orders dashboard, so you can put whatever you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and name this Ron, Seattle hoodie. Okay. Or whatever. It doesn't really matter what you call it. Then you're going to come over here and bear in mind all the fields are required except for the company name. And then obviously if you're doing front left or back artwork, you need to check out for which one of these options you're using. Okay, so I got my name in here. Now I'm going to select a style. I'm going to go ahead and put a hoodie. And I'm going to pull a color down to put it into this order. Bear in mind, not every single style and color combination and size will work. We're going to add into the members area, there'll be a Excel spreadsheet that identifies which styles, which colors, and which sizes are available for any of them. You're going to have to refer to that sheet before if there's any questions. If you submit an order for a shirt that doesn't exist in a specific color and or size, mostly it's an issue between a color and a style. So for instance, I believe it's the ladies V-neck does not exist as a purple, and there may be a few other examples of things that don't exist. If you select something that is not available, then you will not be able to pay for the order within the T-Launch dashboard. So that's going to cause you a problem. Make sure you double check the matrix sheet before you start using this feature, and just take that sheet up on your computer so that you know what you can or cannot order through the T-Launch Ninja API. So after you select the color, go ahead and pop in the size you want to use, which defaults to XL, but you can put whatever you want. This price here is for your reference only. We need to push a price over to the T-Launch API, but it could be a penny. I highly recommend that you don't use only a zero, but I'm just going to pop in a price here. So, make sure it's a properly formatted price. Specify your quantity, then specify if this is going to be a front, left, back, front and back, or left and back. and upload your artwork. The artwork for front and back must be 2800 by 3600 pixels at 200 dpi. And the reason for that is we need to automatically generate a preview image for T-Launch and the other platforms that are shipping the shirts, so that they know which shirt is being put into the package for your customers. So rather than spending a lot of time and energy and cost to program every possible scenario as far as the sizes go, we went to the most predominant size that's being used by all the T-Launch Ninja stores right now, and that is 2800 by 3600, which is also the largest canvas size can be printed on the T-Launch platform. So that's what we went with. Resize your artwork to this 2800 by 3600 and insert your artwork. You're going to upload the artwork or just put in a URL to the artwork. That's fine. So I happen to have it on this platform. And once again, make sure that your dimensions are 3600 by, 2800 by 3600 pixels, and make sure you you insert it into the post as a full size. And then if you have something on the back, then make sure you select the right option here, because if you don't select the right option here, we're not passing the data over to T-Launch. It's going to delay your order, etc. Then you're going to come down here and pop in all the name, contact information. And while I have a drop down that shows up from my Chrome install, you'll see if I type any other name that I may have used in the past, you won't see it auto pre-fill with anything that you previously saved. This will help eliminate any issues that you might have in the future with multiple orders getting shipped off to the wrong places and stuff like that, because you don't have to worry about our form does not retain previous data. That all the data you see in yellow here is all coming from Chrome, which saved my default settings, just so I didn't have to type it in manually. Anyway, you're going to finish filling out all these fields, and then you're going to add the order. Once you add the order, it's going to redirect you over to the Orders tab. And you see here's the order I just created. Here's the item. And then when you go in over here, you're going to see that there is no PayPal thing, because you didn't run this as a order through, you didn't sell this on the TLN platform. You sold this somewhere else. So you're never going to end up with a check mark next to PayPal, because you were not paid through T-Launch Ninja. You got paid some other way with your customer. That said, once you've done this step and you're on this screen, you have to press the resend button, because this order as of yet has not been sent to T-Launch so that it can be added to your T-Launch dashboard. You can pay for it, and then it can be processed. So once you get sent to this screen, press the resend button. You'll see a success message. This will disappear in a few seconds, and when the page refreshes, you'll see the order number from T-Launch for that order that you imported or brought in from some other platform into the T-Launch Ninja API. So that concludes the demo and the process for T-Launch Ninja version 5.5, and specifically for the add order from another platform process. Thanks again for your patronage, and we wish you a lot of success with your sales on T-Launch Ninja. We'll see you on the inside. Bye now.